So hi everyone, I'm Szymon Jóźwiak and I'm co-organizer of Hack of Tomorrow Hackathon. And welcome to today's webinar, where we'll dive into the topic of building decentralized apps with AI. And of course, this is not our first webinar, this is our third. Previous ones you can find in our YouTube channel. And this session will be led by Marcin Cichocki from GameSwift, who will be also a speaker on Hack of Tomorrow Hackathon. And of course, GameSwift is one of our sponsors and contributor to the challenges. And for your information, always feel free to ask questions through the presentation. I think Marcin will be keeping an eye on the comments and also me, of course. And we are excited to have you here. So, Marcin, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Szymon. Hello, everyone. My name is Marcin, and I'm here representing GameSwift company. Today, I would like to talk about the synergy between artificial intelligence and blockchain, with a special focus on how we can build decentralized application that leverage AI. So, maybe before we dive into the core of the presentation, let me give you a brief overview of GameSwift. We are a well-known Web3 gaming infrastructure provider offering several key products and services. The first one is Identity Service, a general purpose system for managing user identities across multiple games or decentralized applications. The second one is GeForce AI, a system designed to gather and analyze information about users' computing power. The next one is GameSwift Launcher, a program that lets you explore and launch any Web3 games on your machine. Also, we have a GBEX system, a battle-tested internal payment solution for in-game transaction. And of course, we deliver SDKs, software development kits, available in various languages, making it easy to integrate our solutions into diverse projects. So let's start with the beginning, with the core technology, blockchain. So in my understanding, a blockchain is essentially a distributed ledger where information is stored across a network of peer-to-peer connected computers. One of its defining features is immutability. Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it's really difficult to alert or erase the data. State of the data changes on the blockchain occur when you sign a transaction with a private key. This cryptographic signature ensures only the rightful owner of the address can update its data. Among the various blockchain implementations, Bitcoin stands out as the most well-known, primarily used for secure peer-to-peer transfer of BTC between wallets. Nowadays, many blockchains have evolved beyond simple payment platforms into systems that support building decentralized applications. The largest platform is Ethereum, which enables developers to write a custom logic in code. When code is deployed on the blockchain, it's referred to as a smart contract. Interacting with a smart contract simply involves sending a transaction to the contract address on the blockchain, where the contract's logic is automatically executed. Yeah. So applications built on smart contracts are often called decentralized applications. Compared to standard web apps, some of the logic and data for this kind of applications reside on a blockchain through smart contracts. In most cases, a typical decentralized application includes a front end, web or mobile, that connects to the blockchain via a wallet. So it's like a gateway to the interactive blockchain. One or more smart contracts on the blockchain for core logic, and optionally a traditional backend system when you can add additional information, indexing, and so on. We can categorize decentralized applications into several types based on the primary use cases. The first one, DeFi, stands for decentralized finances. This application replicate and improve upon traditional financial services, but operate without a central authority. Examples include decentralized exchanges, synthetic asset trading platforms, and lending borrowing protocols. The next category might be gaming on metaverse. So this kind of protocols, projects are virtual worlds or games where in-game items and environments can be represented by on-chain assets, giving players true ownership of digital items. The next one might be NFT marketplaces, so platforms dedicated for minting, buying, and selling tokens, dedicated standard for NFTs. These tokens typically represent art, some collectibles, or other form of the digital property. The next category might be AI-focused platforms that integrate AI solution within a blockchain framework, combining machine learning or data processing capabilities with decentralized trustless infrastructure. And of course, some kind of the infrastructure projects like a GameSwift that allows different protocols to build based on that technology. Regarding AI-focused projects, we can distinguish a few of them, really popular nowadays. So the first one is well-known Fetch AI protocol. I know we have a dedicated workshop about this protocol, but it's worth to mention about this great project. So Fetch AI brings AI agents onto the blockchain, so they can handle tasks and make deals on your behalf without needing a middleman. We can think of it like having a digital assistant that streamline logistics, finance, and more. All of the things are powered by the token, so which keeps the system secure and incentivize everyone to play fair in that system. The next type of AI-focused blockchain project is Virtuals. This protocol allows you to own AI-powered virtual character or agent that can make money, whether that through games, social media, or chat services. Basically, you can invest in and profit from AI personality deployed that lives on chain, and if virtual character hits it big, everyone who are owner of this token can benefit too. The last one is BitTensor. BitTensor is a decentralized network where AI models share knowledge and vote on each other performance. If your model provides great answers, you can earn rewards from the network. no need for a central authority in that case. So it's like crowdsourcing AI innovation driven by community that motivates to keep improving. Beside creating AI type of the decentralized application, we can use AI in process of generation. I mean, in process of creating a decentralized application. So at the beginning, firstly, we can use AI like idea validation. So before diving into development, we can test, validate our concept with artificial intelligence. Probably most of you know that artificial intelligence is a great tool for validating ideas and brainstorming. So it's a typical usage for that. The second one approach might be using artificial intelligence like auditing of the smart contract, because by definition the smart contracts code is immutable. We cannot easily change it. Before deploying the contracts, we can validate the code with the artificial intelligence to make sure we don't have any kind of vulnerability on code. And the next approach might be like asset generation. So as you probably know, AI is great for generating some assets like a code, images, designs, and so on. Even on my presentation, I'll use artificial intelligence to generate some images. So in that case, we can also use artificial intelligence to generate some part of our application. At the end, I want to show you an example how we, like a GameSwift, interact with the Fetch AI with creating a demo to show how you can easily create your own dedicated agent and deploy it on the Fetch network. So I would change my presentation to the YouTube video, or Shimon, can you do it for me? Yeah, so in that case, we have like a stable diffusion system, a stable diffusion network. So it's like a type of text to image generator that allows you to generate an image based on a defined prompt. And just like I said, is Fetch AI Fetch AI deployed agent, so you can interact with a delta V with them. So in that case, I would ask about generating one image. So we can observe how the system allows me to generate a vectorized cat riding on elephant. So yeah, I'm confirmed that I want this kind of image to generate. Now I need to wait until you can see in logs. I would provide the link to this video in the description so everyone can go through this implementation. But as you probably can see, in a few seconds I should get defined by me prompt visualization generated by stable diffusion model hosted on my local computer. So you need to wait a few seconds probably. Maybe I will skip the video a bit. Yeah. So I think we are close to end. Yeah, so the agent deployed basically create the image and host it in a S3 bucket and return to a user an image you can copy, a link to an image you can copy and show how agent generated cat riding on an elephant. I think it should be exposure in the video, yeah. So I download the image and yeah, local hosted stable diffusion generated this kind of visualization of cat riding on an elephant. So it's a, I think, great example how you can use AI project to generate some assets. You can also use like an NFT image, like a blockchain protocol you can build. And yeah, I think that's all. I come back to my presentation if I can. I just have a end slide. So thank you for joining, and I hope I present you something interesting about building AI blockchain products. Thanks again.
Yeah, so thank you very much, Marcin, and thank you to all participations. Of course, as I said, you can write comments in every moment because this stream will be available to you after this live on our channel as the rest of webinars. So yeah. We will be hosting another webinars in next week by BSV at Monday and Tuesday. And again, thanks a lot to GameSwift for helping us to make this event really, really cool. And thank you, Marcin, again.
Thank you
Bye.
again.